Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. Maintaining the right pH level in your pool is crucial for clean and healthy water. If you need to increase the pH level in your pool, our handy pool water pH calculator can help you determine the amount of baking soda required. Follow the simple steps below to calculate the amount you need. Pool volume. Enter the volume of your pool in gallons. If you're unsure about the exact volume, you can estimate it by referring to your pool specifications or consulting your pool supplier. Current pH level. Input the current pH level of your pool water. You can use a pool water testing kit or a digital pH meter to measure the pH accurately. Remember to enter the pH value in decimal format e.g., 7.2, 7.5, the target pH level. Specify the desired pH level you want to achieve in your pool water. This is typically based on the recommended pH range for your specific pool type. Again, enter the value in decimal format, example 7.2, 7.5, click Calculate. Once you've entered the pool volume, current pH level, and target pH level, click the Calculate button. The calculator will instantly provide you with the amount of baking soda needed in pounds. Remember, the formula used in the calculator is as follows: amount of baking soda in pounds equals pool volume in gallons x target pH current pH / 10,000. Use the calculated value as a guide when adding baking soda to your pool. It's always a good practice to add the baking soda in small increments, allowing time for it to dissolve and distribute evenly throughout the water. After adding the baking soda, retest the pH level and make adjustments if necessary. Please note that this calculator is designed for estimating the amount of baking soda required to increase the pH level in your pool. If you have any concerns or questions regarding pool water chemistry or pH balance, it's recommended to consult a pool professional or refer to comprehensive pool maintenance resources. Enjoy your swimming experience with perfectly pool water. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.